the modish way of describing trends. Hello dear learners. Today, we'll dive into a word that is as stylish as its meaning, modish. By the end of this video, you'll not only know what it means, but also how to use it in everyday conversations. Let's get started. Modish is an adjective that describes something that is in the current fashion or style. It's a word that's synonymous with terms like fashionable, stylish, and trendy. If something is modish, it's following the latest trends and styles. For example, her modish outfit caught everyone's attention at the party. He always keeps his home decorated in a modish manner, keeping up with the latest interior design trends. Though the word sounds modern, modish has been in use for quite some time. It first appeared in the 1650s and is derived from the word mode, which refers to a prevailing style or fashion. Over the years, while many trends have come and gone, the word modish has remained a steady way to describe them. To get a better grasp, let's see some more examples. 1. The modish accessories she wore were the talk of the evening. 2. Despite its vintage architecture, the cafe had a modish interior, blending the old with the new. 3. Their band's modish sound has made them popular among the youth. Remember, it's always good to be cautious not to overuse such terms, or they might lose their impact. So there you have it, dear learners. Modish, a trendy way to describe all things fashionable and in vogue. We hope this has added a stylish word to your vocabulary. Keep practicing, and until next time, stay modish and keep learning.